Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make biscuit gravy from scratch. Begin by cooking your sausage in a heavy-bottomed skillet until it's fully browned and crumbled. This step is crucial for building the foundational flavor. Once cooked, remove the sausage, leaving all those delicious drippings in the pan. These drippings are essential for the next step. Now let's create the roux, which is the thickening agent for your gravy. Add 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour to the hot sausage drippings. Whisk continuously for 1 to 2 minutes. The mixture should form a smooth paste and turn a light golden color. This ensures a smooth, lump-free gravy with no raw flour taste. Slowly pour in 2 cups of whole milk, whisking constantly to prevent any lumps from forming. Add the milk in small increments, allowing each addition to fully incorporate before adding more. As the gravy heats, it will begin to thicken. Season generously with salt and freshly ground black pepper to your preference. Finally, stir the cooked sausage back into your creamy, thickened gravy. Mix it well to ensure the sausage is evenly distributed throughout. Serve this delicious, homemade biscuit gravy hot over your favorite warm biscuits for a truly satisfying meal. It's perfect for breakfast or brunch. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to some amazing socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.